Hello guys, it's your boy, Gaming here, back with another video, and today we are here and with my friend Black Ops X with a bunch of numbers behind it, and we're going to be doing some secretive attacks on people in Watch Dogs 2. The dog is up, the dog is up. Yes, come here. You got detected yet again. What? How did he hear? They heard me. Somehow they heard me. Yo, that's just weird. Yo, I need help. I'm getting attacked from all sides now. I'm running for my life. Bro, they're chasing after me and everything. I literally had a suppressed weapon. Bro, they're coming from both sides. I'm so dead. Help. Bruh, they're coming from all sides now. This looks like a scene straight out of John Wick. I should be fighting in close to close combat. Oh my god. Oh! I just hit him from inside. Oh snap. Grenade! Bruh. Yeah, I need some backup. I need backup. Like right now. No, what I mean I need backup just like 10 men on me right now to the point where I cannot move. Headshot. Oh my god. My health is so low. Thanks for the help, Thomas. The guys, the 580s, there's 2 left. There's one guy right over there. He's running. He's going towards you. No, not me. Uh-oh, there's a 580 car. Do I have like a bounty on me or something? Like, yeah. There's a couple of them. There's like an actual bunch of them. That guy, got that guy. But dang, that's just sad. They just got ran over. I saw that. No, God, no. Hold up, can I get in there? No, that sucks. I'm gonna just call that Miss Frizzle's nightmare. Who's a good boy? This dog's a good boy. Unlike that one dog that. Huh? Oh no, not at all. Don't blow that fire on that poor dog. That dog's a good boy. Unlike the other one. But we need to find another gang. On our quest to find another set of bad guys. Hold up, okay. Oh, this area? Wait, what's a mission? What? I did not sign up for this. I just wind up walking in the area. Oh, I see. Okay, it's a mission. You go East Blink, you take West Blink. I just died. Thanks for the help, Thomas. I just died. Oh wow. You helped me a lot. Wait for me. I'm about to respawn in like 4 seconds. Parkour. Yeah, that's me. Okay. 1 second. Wait for me. I'm gonna come in. There's a tricycle. Definitely just not save their money. Hold up, one of them are calling backup, I think. Did they call backup? Nice plan, I see. I see some coming. Dang it, they pulled out the light. I just got one. The other dude's running. I got one. Wait, no, I don't. I got a guy. I stopped him. No! He called backup. There was a backup trigger. There's a dog. Good, thanks. I was seriously about to get doggo-fied. What's this? Okay, we need to go. That was crazy. Do we gotta leave or something? Yeah, I think we gotta. Huh? I don't see no more enemies. Yeah, it says 4 out of 4. I think we leave the area. Hey yo, wait up for me. What the heck is that? That Mercedes ripoff. That's such a Mercedes ripoff. Yep, I was right. Now the mission we have down pat with the cops literally right behind our backs. Hey, I gained 6 research points. Let's go. Research! Oh my, what the what? I just died. Yo, I'm pretty sure people saw that on my channel. I just died from like the stupidest things. Well, anyway guys, this is gonna cut it for this video. Like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.